Okay, I've been trying to decide for the last, I don't know, week or so whether to get a leather case or a silicone case from Apple. I do like the fact that the leather case has got these kind of metal buttons, and from everything I've seen in reviews and people checking the products over, they do seem to say that the leather is a nicer feeling case. One of the things I was concerned about with the reviews of the leather cases is how quickly they seem to deteriorate with the oils that are on your hands soaking into the phone, and they do discolour. One of the reasons I went for the product red was it's slightly darker than perhaps the kind of tan or the taupe colours that are out there that I quite like, but it's a little bit darker. And something I heard was that this product red leather is a slightly more textured leather. So anyway, I took the plunge and decided to get the red leather. Pleased with it. I can't actually show you on the phone at the minute because I'm recording on the phone, but that's not the purpose of this video. What I'm planning to do with this is to, rather than fill the thing with oils from my hand over the coming months, what I'm planning to do is to condition it periodically using some proprietary leather conditioner there. I mean, we use this for our sofa, and you can use it for anything, as you can see on the front of the label there. I've already given this one quick coat just as soon as I took the thing out of the box. So just what I plan to do is try this perhaps once a week, and I may update the video in future, or make future videos just so you can see how this is actually standing up to a bit of abuse in daily use. So I'll just give a quick going over with some of this at the moment, just so you can see what it's like. I mean, it's a bit like mayonnaise, really. The stuff is this conditioner. You don't necessarily need a lot, but you know, it does soak in quite well, so you don't need to be kind of too concerned about around the buttons and holes and what have you. I would kind of try and keep it off the microfiber inside. It will take a bit longer to kind of dry out in there, but so as you can see, it only takes a few seconds to do. Leave that on one side for, I don't know, 10 minutes, half an hour, something like that, and that should soak in. And then you can kind of buff it off with a soft cloth. So anyway, like I say, that's what I plan to do. I'm going to give this a go for a couple of months, and I'll keep you updated with. One other thing I'd just like to mention that might be of use to you here is when I was trying to determine whether to get one of these or not, these leather cases, I couldn't find anywhere on the internet where they would give you the specifications of these, basically the width, the height, and more importantly, well, certainly for me, the depth. See how actually slim these are. So and also the weight's not heavy. But what I'll do in the description down below is put all those details in there, so you know, at least there's somewhere on the internet where that information is actually recorded. So anyway, hope you found that useful, and check back for future updates on the condition of the case with the leather conditioner.